Hello kids, I'm Ellie. Welcome back to my channel Easy Learning. Hope you all are fine and practicing very well. In today's lesson, we are going to learn E-word family. Let's start lesson 2, part 2. E-word family. Add, egg, at, am, an, ab, a, d, a, d, add, add, a, g, a, g, egg, egg, a, d, a, d, add, add, a, m, a, m, am, am, a, n, a, n, an, an, a, b, a, b, ab, ab. Read it again. Add, egg, at, am, an, ab. That's it for today's lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn about I-word family. Till that, practice well. And yes, don't forget to check the description box for free PDF worksheet file about today's lesson. You can download and print it out for practice. See you soon, kids!